Chatunga Mugabe and Tobias Mugabe will remain behind bars after appearing in the Alexandra Magistrates Court on charges linked to last week's shooting in Hyde Park. The pair face charges of attempted murder, defeating the ends of justice, and unlawful possession of a firearm. The matter was postponed to March 3, with both accused remanded in custody. The charges stem from an incident in which a 23-year-old employee at a Hyde Park residence was shot and left in critical condition. The Gauteng police confirmed that a cartridge was recovered at the scene. However, despite extension searches by K9 units and forensic teams, the firearm allegedly used in the shooting has not been located. The missing weapon is expected to form a key component of the state's case and is believed to underpin the charge of defeating the ends of justice. Earlier, police described the circumstances surrounding the shooting as a bit sketchy, noting that investigations were still at a preliminary stage. Ahead of the court appearance, Mugabe's attorney, Jason Sows, told SABC News that his client was in high spirits and said, "We visited him several times this weekend. We are still taking further instructions, and at this point, we do not have any further comment. We do not want to compromise the investigations." Sows also indicated prior to proceedings that the defense had not been formally notified of the defeating the ends of justice charge. Chatunga Mugabe is the youngest son of former Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe. His legal troubles are not confined to South Africa. In 2025, he was arrested in Zimbabwe following a violent confrontation at a gold mining concession in Mazowe. He was later granted bail on assault-related charges in that matter, which remains unresolved. The Hyde Park case has also revived memories of the 2017 controversy involving Grace Mugabe, who was accused of assaulting South African model Gabriela Angels during a visit to Johannesburg. The incident escalated into a diplomatic dispute after the Minister of International Relations and Cooperation, Maite Nkoyana Mashabane, granted Grace Mugabe diplomatic immunity, a decision later overturned by the High Court. Proceedings in the Hyde Park matter are set to resume on March 3 as investigations continue. The city press also reported that Chatunga told the cops that the person shot was not a gardener but a security guard, and the man had shot himself. This amid reports that the victim was shot in the back twice. Mugabe further alleged that the dispute was because he had fired the guard for performing traditional rituals on the property. He alleged the gun is missing because the guard came with accomplices who were waiting outside the gate and took the firearm when the man was rushed to hospital. Police reportedly believe it may have been tampered with by Mugabe's friends who arrived first at the scene. A neighbor also claimed Mugabe had pointed a firearm at him in a previous encounter at a mall, but there are suspicions it may have been an attempted scam. News 24 also reported that Chatunga had fainted twice while in custody, reportedly due to a medical condition. The publication revealed that we swiftly attended to him. He has revealed to us his medical condition. We immediately informed his lawyers and those close to him to quickly bring in his medication. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.